So you've got mitosis and you've got meiosis. We did mitosis today. All right. We went through mitosis today. Mitosis is, can you see here? This is where I was going to explain it to you. Diploid. There are two sets of chromosomes. All right. 23 from mum and 23 from dad. All right. 23 from mum, that's one set. And you got 23 from dad, which is another set. That's the human number. So diploid means there are two sets. So boys, all of your cells in your body are diploid apart from sperm. Girls, all of the cells in your bodies are diploid apart from the eggs. Okay, so your gametes are haploid. So what I'm going to do now is look at this. So, sorry, my phone's gone off. Hang on. It's annoying. Right, sorry about that. Okay, so diploid, and then during mitosis, it divides once to form two identical cells. Two identical diploid cells. So during mitosis, this here is, let's say, a cell in the body. Any of your body cells, skin cell, whatever, it's going to divide to form two diploid cells. So they've got to be identical. You've got one cell here in your body, and you want that to be replicated. You want your skin cells to form other skin cells. All right? So two diploid cells form. So mitosis is when one diploid cell divides once to form two diploid cells that are genetically identical. So one diploid cell divides once to form two diploid cells. And these two cells are genetically identical. All right? Genetically identical. So diploid means two sets of chromosomes where the sperm has fused with the egg. So you get your dad's chromosomes with the DNA, you get your mum's chromosomes with her DNA. They then fuse together. You've now got DNA from your mum, the chromosomes from your mum, and the chromosomes from your dad. So you've got two sets of chromosomes. All right? So that is what diploid means. And mitosis is when one diploid cell divides to form two genetically identical diploid cells. So, right, what did I say mitosis forms? What did I say? 1, 2, or 3? No, Zainab, it's not 2. It's 1. Remember they said they form body cells. They form diploid body cells. So mitosis forms all of the cells in your body apart from eggs if you're a girl. And mitosis forms all of the cells in your body if you're a boy apart from sperm. Okay? So the answer is body cells. Right, mitosis forms cells that are diploid, genetically identical, or both of the above. So are people a bit confused about this? It's really important. There's no point me doing this if you're confused. I need to go over it because if you're confused, there'll be a lot of you that are. So let's go back over it. So you've got one cell during mitosis, and that's going to divide. The whole point of mitosis is to form two cells from one cell. So you've got a diploid cell that divides once to form two diploid cells. All right, so that's what that means. Okay, mitosis has how many cell divisions? So Kaylee, what are you confused about? Right, so I think people are actually quite confused right now. I'm going over it one more time. So mitosis, guys, you got one diploid cell. There's one diploid cell. So one skin cell, for example, we've got one skin cell. So look at me in my corner, I've got one skin cell. One skin cell. It's going to divide to form two skin cells. That's mitosis. One skin cell divides to form two skin cells. These skin cells have to be genetically identical. Otherwise, they're not your body. So they have the same DNA in it. So this body cell is diploid. It's got two sets of chromosomes. Okay? And each of these cells, when they divide, will also have two sets of chromosomes in each. So imagine if this one divided and this cell was different to this cell, that'd be a problem. Okay, so there's one cell division. See there? One cell divides once to form two cells. One cell forms two cells. Yeah, look here. One cell divides to form two cells. So this is one skin cell divides to form two. So with cancer, this is what happens. Let's say you've got cancer in the lung. One cell divides quickly. This cell then divides. That cell then divides. All of these cells now divide very quickly by mitosis, uncontrollably. Okay, so can you see that all of these cells are just dividing? One cell divides once, two cells. Right, so now meiosis is different, and this is a bit more confusing. You have to know the difference. Meiosis is when one diploid cell divides twice. This is the first cell division, which is basically mitosis. But now look, these cells here divide again. This where it gets a bit confusing. So these cells here divide again to form gametes. So this is happening in a boy or a man, a male, whatever. So where you got one diploid cell divides once, divides twice, two cell divisions in meiosis, one cell division in mitosis, it divides once, divides twice. Okay? And so this here produces gametes. So in a man, it's sperm. And can you see here how many N's are in each? One N. So gametes are haploid. Gametes are haploid, one set. Because remember, imagine if you had a egg cell, which was diploid, and a sperm, which was also diploid. Two sets, two sets. If they fuse together, how many sets have you now got? 4. That would be really bad. That would be really bad. So that's why meiosis happens, is so we get haploid gametes with one set. So now this sperm with one set of chromosomes can then fuse with, so one set of chromosome sperm can now fuse with an egg with one set. How many sets does this cell have now? 2. So the whole point of meiosis is to form non-identical, so you've got 4 haploid gametes. Whereas in mitosis, it's body cells. Mitosis is body cells. Meiosis is gametes. Okay? So it divides twice. It divides twice. 2 cell divisions. And it forms haploid gametes that are non-identical. So during, what do you call it? Sorry, hang on, let's rewind a bit. So during mitosis, it forms 2 diploid identical cells, whereas during meiosis, you've got 4 haploid gametes that are not identical. So the reason why all of your brothers and sisters don't look the same is because whenever, your parents' gametes, I know probably not the nicest thing to hear, but your parents' gametes, all right, they all look, all their genetics are different. Okay, so all the gametes have different genetics because they're non-identical. Otherwise, all of our siblings would look like each other. If all of your mum's eggs had the same DNA and all of your dad's sperm had the same DNA, all of your siblings would look like twins. Okay, you'd all be twins, you'd be clones. But because our gametes are genetically non-identical, we all have genetic variation. So now let's do question time. How many chromosomes do gametes have, Veronica? 23. Got 23 chromosomes, one set. That's in a human, by the way. Remember, that's only in a human. They could give you an example of like a rat or a dog. So you could say the diploid number for a dog, I don't actually know if this is true, I can't remember off the top of my head. The diploid number for a dog is 32. What's the haploid number? The haploid number would be half of it. Okay, the haploid number would, yeah, exactly. Exactly, the haploid number is 16. So each gamete, if the diploid number is 32, the haploid number will be 16. Well done, Fatiha. So meiosis forms gametes. Meiosis forms sex cells, gametes, sex cells. I saw someone in the group chat ask. Right, so meiosis forms. Yeah, exactly, Veronica. Mitosis forms identical cells with 46 chromosomes in each. In humans only. Remember, you could get asked about another organism, but you would be given the numbers. So meiosis forms 4 body cells. Does it? Are you sure? What does meiosis form, guys? Is it body cells? Doesn't form body cells. It forms 4 gametes. Yeah, exactly. 4 gametes. So the answer there is haploid cells. Okay, that was a bit of a trick question there. 4 body cells. Nope. The answer is haploid. Right, this one here. So the answer here is going to be mitosis or meiosis. Okay, so it's mitosis, meiosis, and then it has 2 cell divisions, meiosis, has 1 cell division, mitosis, which is haploid cells, meiosis, diploid cells, mitosis, 2 cells, mitosis, 4 cells, meiosis, genetically identical, mitosis, and then genetically different cells, meiosis.